So today's video has been planned for a while, and it was meant to be this absolutely epic video of me climbing up Great Dun Fell, which is in Knock, and it hasn't really gone to plan. So as you know, I'm injured, and so I'm not able to climb anything for a good few days. I need to let it rest. And the disappointing thing is that I'm going to introduce you to them now. I'm with a couple of guys who own a drone company. I'm going to leave all the details below, and they were going to film me climbing, because one of the main things that I get on my videos of long rides is, Katie, want to see you on the bike, want to see you climbing, want to see you riding. And so that's what this video was going to be about, and I can't climb. So it's just going to be on the flats. I think they're going to drive me up, and I'm going to descend, so I can still get some footage. But we're going to make it epic anyway. It's not going to be the video that I had planned, but it's equally going to be as epic as it can be anyway. And I'm also here with Ash, who is from Eat Plants YouTube channel, so I'm going to leave his channel in the description as well, so you can check that out if you are interested. And we're just going to have just a fun day on the bikes, really. And the weather is beautiful. The weather could not have been better, and I'm just a little bit frustrated that I cannot climb this amazing climb, which I think is one of the best climbs, if not the best, in the whole of the UK. So let's go and see. We're just going to have a fun day regardless. So let's go meet who I'm with and introduce you and just get a plan of what we're going to do for the day.
I'm James, and this is Phil.
Hi there.
And we're Pro Sky Drone Services, and we do commercial and kind of leisure marketing with our drone. So we run a Phantom 4 Pro, don't we?
That's right, yeah.
And, it is beautiful. I had a look. I do love drones. I was like, oh my god, this is amazing.
Proper geek toys.
Yeah.
Phil's the geek, obviously, not me.
This is the perfect weather and the perfect kind of day to be sort of doing this. And James is a really keen cyclist, so to be out with you today, out doing this, you know, getting this kind of experience, especially on an incline like this.
And now Ash is going to go and do an attempt up Great Dun Fell while I just watch on. Bye! Have fun!
Quick warm up!
This is warm up. He's warm up, he's now like full out.
Tell me where your head's at. I need to find out, 'cause this could be my last chance. I want you to know, kinda hard to show, but you're all I ever wanted.
And so, I've just done a little bit up the bottom of Great Dun Fell, because I can't ride the whole thing, and it is like torture. I was just saying to Ash, I was like, this is torturous. I can just see the top, and the weather is just beautiful, and it's just, I just want to ride it, but I've got to look after my leg. I've got to be sensible. So I wanted to go and enjoy some of the flats. And so now we are going to drive up the climb. Ash is already up there. He'll be climbing up, and then we're going to drive part of the way up and just admire the views. Do some more filming, and then just have a little descend down, I think, get some footage of me descending. Look at that. Just sat in the back of the car while we drive to the top so that we can get some video of me descending down. It's a little bit tight, as you can see. God. What's going on?
Okay, well, if we crash, everyone's gonna die. Like everyone. Have you seen this, Katie? Katie, whip your camera around this way.
I've got the cameras on.
Have you whipped it around this way? Look at this. This is Dangerous Brian.
It's on your lips, they feel electric. It's on my mind, I can't forget it. I'm feeling it's on your lips, they feel.
Look at this view. Look at the view. It's just so beautiful. I've cheated though. I've cheated. I've driven up, but God, it is chilly today. So yeah, we're gonna head down, get some shots with the drone, and then that would be pretty much it for the day. My hair's all over the place. So yeah, but if you ever get the chance to come and ride Great Dun Fell, you've got to do it, because it's just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It's getting chilly. It's cold, isn't it? Whoa. that is the end of today's video with these amazing guys. I've not even seen the shots yet, but I'm confident they're going to be some epic shots. So just wanted to say thank you again. For
No, it's been
thanks
an
for having
absolute
us.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It's
how-
been great.
How have you
And-
found it then?
Oh, it's been fantastic, and the scenery is beautiful. You know, it's a beautiful part of the
stood on
world.
nettles. Oh, my leg. Sorry.
That's twice today.
I know.
Beautiful
Sorry,
scenery, great people. It's been a really enjoyable experience, haven't it?
Yeah, it's been fantastic.
Like laughing. But
I'm
yeah,
lost
it's
again,
been
yeah.
such a good day out. Like, absolutely loved every minute of it.
And we'll look forward to another future collaboration.
Hope so. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Fantastic.
let us know what you thought of the footage, the drone footage, because that is something that you've always asked me, like, why don't you get a drone? Why don't you get a drone? Now, the drone footage is here, so let me know if you've liked it, and I will see you next video.
See you later, guys.
Peace.
So that is the end of the day. So we're back where we started, and that is it. That is the end of the video. I absolutely loved it. Those guys are just the nicest guys. So nice, so good at their job, just so good. I'm so excited to see all the footage and get it all together, and which you will have already seen. So let me know if you liked the footage, because I know in a lot of my videos you're always like, maybe get a drone, we want to see you riding. So your wish has been granted by those lovely guys. So yeah, I'm going to leave all their details below if you're interested in what they do. You can have a quick look at their website. But yeah, I'm just going to head back now, have a little drive back, get some food, and that is it. So I'll see you next video.
It's on your lips, they feel electric. It's on my mind, I can't forget it. I'm feeling,
If I can't clamber in, hey. Actually, I don't know what I was thinking asking you to film this. It's just my ass. Like.